She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This quick tip is on feeding strategies and things that you can do to help a child feel more comfortable during meal times, whether or not they're sensory defensive or maybe have some low muscle tone. So a really good trick that a lot of therapists use is to ensure that a child is properly seated. So what this means is that a child's feet should be able to be touching either a footstool or the floor or the surface firmly. So the child should be seated where the hip is at a 90-degree angle, their back is straight, maybe they have some back support on the chair, and they're really sitting comfortably with their feet firmly planted on the floor. It's really important to address correct posture when eating. Just think about times where you might have been at a high bar stool and maybe your feet were dangling off, and how incredibly uncomfortable it is to try to sit and eat and correct your posture at the same time. So for many children with a lot of low muscle tone issues, or even sometimes some feeding aversions, some of it is coming from poor posture. So what you'll want to do is check to make sure that your child's posture is correct and comfortable, and that their feet again are planted firmly on the floor. This is one video in a video series for feeding tricks. So give this a try and look through the rest of the feeding tricks to see what might help your child.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She take a full